Hello, everybody. Welcome to the presentation from Praneeth Weerasekara, who is the program manager at Moderncraft by MAS, and also joining Praneeth is Karvin Fernando, who is account manager consumer tech from Moderncraft by MAS. And today they will tell us how they cultivate change while enhancing the necessary and creating the unexpected with textile technologies. Karvin, Praneeth, over to you.
All right. Thank you very much, Christoph. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening to everyone connecting from across the globe. Just like Christoph mentioned, the focus of today's conversation is really about cultivating change and enhancing what is necessary, all in the realm of textile technologies. First, a quick introduction to the company both Praneeth and I represent. Moderncraft is a smart textile and wearable technology subsidiary of MAS, MAS being one of the largest apparel manufacturers in South Asia. In this regard, Moderncraft is a smart textile company with a large portfolio of patented technologies, and we really help brands all the way from the product ideation process all the way to mass manufacturing. Now, Moderncraft is headquartered in Sri Lanka, and that's where Praneeth and I are both based out of, but we have a presence in Europe and North America as well.
Hi all, my name is Praneeth Weerasekara. I'm working as a program manager at Moderncraft. So my basic work involves working with health tech projects, consumer tech projects, as well as sports and active projects, as well as I work on technology platform development projects as well.
And I am Karvin Fernando. I am the account manager, very specifically in the consumer technology vertical of Moderncraft, where I help brands take product to market. And at any point in this presentation, if there is a lag, I know we've had a few technical difficulties, please feel free to stop us and let us know if we need to repeat anything. Now, first, we want to talk a little bit about how we approach product ideation and product development. Whenever we approach a new product, we really ask ourselves, how are we adding value? And in this regard, there's three core questions that we always like to ask. The first is, what is the problem? We identify problems using consumer research and desk research. We identify problems across the globe. And then the second is that problem worth solving? Are these complex problems that individuals need to solve? And is it affecting a large enough cross-section of the population? And then the third and final question is, how can these problems be solved? How can we use our technologies? How can we use our technology stacks to create solutions that really address these needs?
When it comes to, adding values in place. So basically, when it comes to consumer product or consumer need, what we really want to do is like we will dig deep into what is the actual need of the consumer and understand the pain points of the consumer, and trying to create a, let's say, set of functional, emotional, and social jobs to be done. So that will help us to clearly define the consumer need at the early stage, which we could use in a latter part of the product development. And so satisfying the consumer need will make or break whatever the solution that we are coming up with. And also we need to check the technicalities behind let's say the need, and I would say we need to convert into a technical job to be done. And so how we do that is we sort of like detail it into subcomponent level to convert a need into, let's say, individual functionalities, so that we could identify I would say the technical gaps or technology gaps that we need to fulfill. And this actually will help us to work with different institutes, subject matter experts, tech providers, scientists, and etc. to